بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope everything is alright and thanks for having me. We've heard a lot about something called the DNA in science, in biology, in medical field, in scientific papers or articles, in social media, in forensic science. Everywhere we hear about something called the DNA. But what is the real DNA means or stand for? We're going to know that through this video. All right. DNA. What is the DNA? The DNA stands for deoxyribose, N nucleic acid. DNA stands for the deoxyribose nucleic acid, right? Okay. Can we see the DNA? No. The DNA is too small to see by your naked eye. But under the microscope, it is look like a twisted up a ladder. DNA is too small. It is found in the nucleus of the cell, so we can see it by our naked eye. Okay? Every living thing has a DNA. Human being has a DNA, animals has a DNA, plant has a DNA. That means we have something common with the zebra or mushroom or tree. Let us move forward. Okay, let us talk a little bit about the history of the DNA. There is a scientist called the Frederick Ratcher. He discovered the structure of the DNA in 1868 while he was researching in the nucleus of the fish sperm. But he didn't notice or he didn't know its purpose at that time. Scientists predict that the DNA held or carry the genetic information or carry the information inheritance, but wasn't sure how. Later on, there is a lady, or actually she is a scientist called the Rosalind Franklin. She discovered the structure of the DNA as a double helix in 1951. She used the X-ray diffraction. She wasn't noticed that until her death in 1959. Later on, two scientists came, James and Frank. These two scientists discover or formalize the chemical structure of the DNA by using Franklin X-ray. DNA structure. The DNA consists from the two molecules arranged into the structure like a ladder called the double helix. A DNA molecule consists from a million of tiny or small substance called nucleotides, and each nucleotide consists from the three things: phosphate group, nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, right? Let us assume that or suppose that the DNA is look like a ladder. The rings of the ladder represents the nitrogenous base, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. And the leg of the ladder represent the phosphate group and sugar. Nitrogenous base. Biurin consists from the adenine and guanine, and bermidine consists from the thiamine and cytosine. Friedrich's or Graphics rule: adenine must pair with thiamine and guanine must pair with cytosine. Alright, we are going to stop here, and thanks for watching this video. See you later.